Unlocking the full potential of your Trust wallet starts now, as we're about to seamlessly integrate the Ethereum network. First, fire up your Trust wallet and look for the Add Tokens icon, usually found either at the bottom of the screen or in the top right corner under the Manage or Filter icon. Now, make sure that Ethereum and any ERC-20 tokens you want to manage are enabled by toggling the button to the right if you don't see a token. Tap the plus icon at the top right and enter the token's contract address, name, and symbol. All details you can find on CoinGecko or Etherscan. Next, to access the exciting world of decentralized applications, or dApps, locate the dApps or browser tab at the bottom of your Trust wallet interface. If you don't see this tab, you will need to enable it in Settings. Under Preferences, click dApp Browser and Enable. And that's it. You're now fully equipped to manage ETH, trade ERC-20 tokens, and explore the boundless possibilities of Ethereum dApps, all within the secure confines of your Trust wallet. Thanks for watching.